Get industry-exclusive free 3-year renewals for aerial lift certification at CertifyMeOnline.net. Staying compliant with OSHA standards is crucial for aerial and scissor lift operators. Every 3 years, certifications need renewal to align with OSHA's updates addressing new safety issues and emergency responses. CertifyMeOnline is here to make your certificate renewal for aerial lifts and scissor lifts not just necessary, but quick and straightforward. As OSHA adjusts its guidelines, it's vital to remain informed and compliant. With CertifyMeOnline, when it's time for your scissor lift or aerial lift certification renewal, the process is seamless. Our easy-to-navigate online training allows operators to complete their renewal in minutes, ensuring they're up to date with the latest safety protocols. After the online portion, a hands-on evaluation is conducted by your selected employee. If you're unsure who to choose, our Train the Trainer program can equip an employee with the skills to manage future evaluations effectively. Upon completing the renewal training, new certificates and cards are issued instantly. These documents are crucial, especially if OSHA makes an unexpected visit. With this new certification, you're set for another 3 years, although remember, in case of an accident, retraining might be required before expiration. The renewal training isn't just a formality. It's a comprehensive refresher on how to prevent hazards, deal with dangerous situations, recognize unsafe conditions, and properly use lifts. It also covers essential topics like load capacities, overhead protection, equipment usage, and fall protection to ensure a consistently safe work environment. For employers and employees alike, maintaining proper certification is not just a legal requirement but a safety imperative. Employers risk substantial OSHA fines for uncertified operators, while employees need to stay skilled and knowledgeable to ensure a safe working environment and smooth workflow. CertifyMeOnline offers an easy and comprehensive solution for your recertification needs. Our program is tailored to ensure you're thoroughly trained to meet OSHA requirements. Upon completing the course, you receive a valid certification card on the same day, providing immediate proof of your updated training. Don't let your certifications lapse. Renew quickly and easily with CertifyMeOnline, ensuring you remain compliant and prepared. Visit us online or give us a call to keep your aerial lift and scissor lift certifications up to date.